In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble and install a Louvre. Grab your Louvre kit from your rear box. You'll have your top angle, T-section, left and right hand side, and your nuts and bolts. Pop your T-section to the side as this fits directly onto your glass house. First, we've got to assemble our angle inside. Lay your parts out like this and fix your sides to your angle. Use your regular bolts and keep them nice and loose so that it can flex into place later. Sit your side on top of your angle and fix your bolt from behind. Now we're going to grab our T-section and install it on this bottom pane of glass using our T-bolts. Slide the T-bolt into the glazing bar. Place the slot of the T-bar over the bolt above the glass. On the other side, raise your T-bar, insert your T-bolt, and gently lower them into place until they meet. Ensure the outer lip is sitting hard against your glass and secure your two T-bolts with the nut. Leave your bolts a little bit loose so there's enough room for the tab on your Louvre to fit between your glazing bar and your T-bar. With your handle facing the inside of your glass house, we're going to install your Louvre kit one side at a time. Slide one side in between the rubber and the lip. Raise the other side so you can slide it in the same way. As you slide it into place, the tab will fit between the T-bar and the glazing bar. As you slide your tab into place, you'll notice that the slots on the Louvre will sit over top of your T-bar. Make sure these are hard down into place before you tighten them up. Open up your Louvre and slide your glass into place. If you're having a bit of trouble getting your glass to fit, you can loosen off these top bolts. Have each side open on a similar angle, and the glass sits in between these two lips. Now you've fully installed your Louvre. If you want to learn more about how to build Eden glasshouses, check out our other videos on our channel.